Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life Channel. I am so happy to see you here today. In this video, I am happy to share with you the technique which might be very beneficial for your glowing and radiant skin, and this would be facial cupping massage using the silicone cups. While I could say that I'm relatively new to the facial cupping massage, I could definitely say that I love it. I really see instant results, and believe it or not, I think I mainly use it actually for some kind of mental stress relief because it's very relaxing. It definitely relaxes the muscles on my face, and I'm pretty sure you've noticed that sometimes throughout the day your face feels a little tense, or sometimes we don't even pay attention to that, but that's true, and that can also even cause the aging. Okay, so let me show you the what I'm going to use for my face today. I am going to use the silicone cups by the Pear company. This is a French name because everything is made in Canada, and my choice is with this company because it's a bit cheaper than the other popular brands, and also it's a good quality product which I can trust, because sometimes if you just can go on Amazon and buy something for $5, I don't really know where it was made or anything behind it, so I really wouldn't trust it maybe that much. Besides, if you spend a little more, this silicone products will definitely last your lifetime if you take a proper care of them. Description down below this video, I will put the link where you can check them out, read about them, and decide if you really want to buy them, because I'm very happy with it. So to start with the facial cupping massage, I always do it with the oil, although the alternatives such as water or even use it with the cleanser or serum are available. So in my opinion, oil works the best, well, to my skin, because it works like a perfect lubricant, so your cups are moving freely, and that's very important in this type of massage. And in order for me to apply the oil on my face, I use this little brush. It's a mini brush. You can buy it separately actually on their website. It's about like $4. It is so gentle that even if we're not talking about facial cupping massage, you could always use it for your face, either to give it like a light massage, or it's actually promoting the exfoliation. You could definitely use it every day. I just put my hair away, and today I'm going to use sunflower oil. This is just regular sunflower oil, and I'm going to take this mini brush and I would apply a little bit of oil in here. When you see there are little rounds in here, which I believe really help to distribute the oil all over the face. You won't really need a lot. If you feel that the cups are not moving freely, you could obviously add a little more. So basically you've already started doing the massage because you nicely distribute the oil all over your face, trying to also follow the circular motions, and obviously do not forget about your neck. So I'm going to add a little more oil and apply it also on my neck. I'm going to show you today the massage using these two silicone cups. One is the big one and one is the small one. But it makes sense to use two different sizes because the small one works amazingly if you just want to do some pressure points in here, if you just want to release the tension, and obviously around the eye area. So I'm going to start with the big suction cup. Well, it's not the biggest out there, but what you need to do is you need to sort of squeeze the air out of it, and that's what promotes the suction. So see, I'm squeezing it and then it sort of stays. So every time you're doing the massage, if you see that the pressure is too strong, decrease the suction. To release the suction, you would need to squeeze the cup again. So see, I did the suction and it sort of stays. When I squeeze it, it goes. And now I'm just going to talk you through the massage. I'm going to show the basic massage. To do it I would say twice a week if you want to achieve the result, and you need to be consistent with this facial cupping massage. So I'm showing the basic massage, which is very simple, and I hope you will love it. Just need to mention here that I'm following the massage lines, and you would need pretty much do the same. You might concentrate on each area a bit longer and probably adjust the massage to your own liking. I just need to say here that your first session shouldn't be long. You always need to be gentle because you do need to avoid the burns on your skin. As you can see, my forehead is not really that red, but if I start working on my cheeks here, the skin becomes really red because I think this area is a little bit more sensitive. So I'm doing the suction and then I'm pretty much moving the cup along my face. I will try to do the two techniques when I'm moving the cup upwards and downwards, because actually you need to make sure that you are moving the lymph down to your heart, but when you want to give your face some sort of boost or lift, you would also need to do the upwards technique. I hope you can see that I'm trying to be gentle and I'm not pulling my skin too much, as I see people do in some tutorials where they're really pulling their skin under their eyes a lot, and I don't think that's what you need to do, because this area is very gentle, especially in your neck and under your eyes. So again, I just want you to be careful. Obviously, you need to make sure that your face is clean, your cups are clean. You could just wash them with soap and water and then let them air dry, and your hands are clean as well. You can wash your face the regular way you normally do. You can even exfoliate it before, maybe apply mask. You will master this technique pretty fast. I'm sure that even your first massage would be absolutely satisfying. I need to also say something about the oil. I don't want you to be afraid of using the oil, because there are many oils that are so good for you. They have rating 0 in comedogenic list. And what these oils do, they actually nourish your face, nourish your skin. They deliver fatty acids and nutrients directly into your skin. So all this will make your skin look healthier, and it also has an anti-aging effect. If you want to know more about lymphatic massage, you can watch my other video where I also show how you can do just simple lymphatic massage without the facial cups. And if you start feeling that the lymph is going and flowing, so you will probably have the urge to swallow, and that's absolutely fine. It definitely means that this massage is working. If you want to go ahead and use the oils, I'd say the best ones would be sunflower oil, the one I'm using today, argan oil, avocado, jojoba, and evening primrose oil, but this list is not complete. Just check the description bar down below where I'm sharing some other options. Here I am trying to have a longer move when I am starting in my forehead and moving down my neck. This is really good if you want to move the lymph. Actually, there are many different types of cupping. So the one I'm showing right now is moving cupping or massage cupping. This is a great method of massage that is done by applying oil to the skin and moving the cup by actually a weak suction. I always start massage with the weaker suction and then I increase it. You know, the more I do the massage, the more I increase it. I think it's better to do it gradually. I really feel very relaxed after doing this massage. My jaw is relaxed, and maybe if you have some tension in your neck or maybe in your temples, you could concentrate more on these areas. It's a great idea to teach your friend or boyfriend, so you could really give this massage to each other. It's gonna be more relaxing because you don't really need to do anything. As you can see, the cup is moving pretty quickly, and again, I'm new to this massage, so I really mastered it really fast. And now here I'm going in circular motions. It is believed that these motions will help you to deep cleanse the pores. I also need to mention that after doing this massage, make sure you drink enough of water, because we're doing the lymph drainage here, and all this improves your circulation, so it's very important. As far as the amount of times you could do cupping, I'd say some professionals might even recommend it to do every second day, but I won't really go that crazy. It's in 1 or 2 times a week, and then if you try to increase, please make sure you pay closer look to your skin. What you need to know is that because it improves the circulation, every product you're applying on your face after this massage is going to penetrate your skin in a better way, so your skin will get more benefits from the product you're using. Now I'm going to show you how I am doing this massage in the décolleté and neck area. These areas are very important for the lymph drainage, and because you want them look radiant and young as well. You might add essential oils to your oil. It's a great idea. Well, doing this massage is pretty much simple. I don't think I even need to describe what I'm doing. You pretty much can see everything. And my skin is not really red, but every skin is different. If you have like sensitive skin, you might have more redness, and then you will need to see how you actually feel. If you lose the suction of the cup, don't be afraid, just do it all over again. And if you feel that the suction is too much, again, try to decrease it, so sort of just play with your cup. When you're doing silicone cup massage, never forget about treating your neck and décolleté area. These areas are very important. You also want them to look great, and you sort of want to have a complete picture. You are moving the lymph, and you cannot forget doing this in your neck and décolleté area. Always do make sure that you're moving your cup downwards, your heart. This is the way the lymph flows, and we're trying to really follow the way the lymph flows. Besides, the elasticity of silicone enables the silicone cups to work well in these areas. And I also love the way my skin feels after doing this massage. on my neck and on my décolleté area. And as you can see, I'm trying to connect this massage. I'm trying to connect all three zones, the face, the décolleté area, and the neck, because again, you want to have a complete picture. And we want to have that lymph flowing and boosting the circulation everywhere, and also move the fluids that might otherwise be stagnant. After finishing your neck and décolleté area, you definitely need to make sure you treat your under eye area and just the eye area above the brow, below the brow, with a little cup, with a little silicone cup, because as you see, it's specifically designed for these small areas, especially under the brow. As you can see, I'm using exactly the same technique. The skin is pulled inside the cup, and I'm not trying to be, harsh. I'm very gentle. My skin is not very red. That might be really alarming. Even on the areas that you have some scars, I would still recommend to be gentle and not use, too much pressure. Just start with the light pressure and don't use it on any active acne, obviously. I just personally really need to get rid of these acne scars, which will fade eventually, but I just hope it's going to happen a little faster if I do it with the cupping massage. Cupping massage under and around the eye area definitely helps to ease the problems like under eye bags and the dark areas under the eyes, because again, we are improving the circulation and moving the lymph. Once you actually apply the cup really fast on the area, please make sure you don't really hold it longer than for a second, because this way you might end up with a burn. And I love doing it again around my eyes, and later I'm going to show you if you have a scar, not an active pimple. Whatever you see on my face, those red marks, these are scars. I always try to concentrate on them a little bit, so to just move around them and do that suction in there, because I believe it's going to increase the circulation in the area, and it will help me to heal or even get rid of that scar faster. The results that you are going to see or achieve entirely depend on the consistency of this massage, and I would recommend, to probably increase its efficacy by just enjoying some music or relaxation, something that would help you to relieve some stress at the same time while doing the massage. I always try to concentrate on this area right here in my mouth and the nostrils, because I believe the big cup simply cannot do it. Here I'm also going to show you some pressure points which you need to concentrate on if you have sinuses. It's basically 6 points here, in between the brows, in the middle of your nose, and right here between your mouth and the nose. Now you could also concentrate on your lips. I don't really do a great job here. Not really concentrate for too long. I'm doing just like this. You could also do the circular motions all around your lips. Again, if you really feel that's your problem area, or you have some more wrinkles around your lips. You could also do the same thing for your neck using the smaller cup, because sometimes I feel that the large cup is harder to work with. It's really simple, it's small, and it will also give you nice relaxing sensation. So here I'm looking at my skin right now. It looks pretty radiant. I'm giving you a close-up look. It's really pinkish, it's not red. And this pink color indicates that there is an increased blood flow to the surface of my skin, and that's actually what we're trying to achieve here. If you prefer to leave the oil on your face, it's very important to follow this napkin technique when you need to remove the excess of the oil from your face, because you don't want, to clog any pores, even though it's non-comedogenic oil. And here I'm showing you how you could really wash your cups, because it's very important to wash your cups after you use them. A small brush really helps to get rid of any product left inside the cup. I wish you to have the best results with this facial cupping massage, and if you like this video, please put a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you later.